lifelong. Through the ups, through the downs, family love, it knows no